The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the Coolpad Belleza for Boost Mobile. So this is a new flip phone for Boost Mobile. Of course it's affordable. It's available now for $29.99. It's currently on sale, $30 off. The full retail price of this flip phone is $59.99, and also it's currently out of stock right now as of this video recording. But if you guys somehow get this phone and get the 15% off using the promo code 15 Android 2021. That takes 15% off. That makes this one like what, 15 bucks, something like that. So fairly cheap nonetheless. So let's go ahead and check out the Coolpad Belleza here. So yeah, there is the phone right there. There's your external screen, camera. What's this? Your volume button on the left side here, power button on the right side of the phone there. And it looks like it has like a texture design there, so pretty nice. The left side of this Coolpad Belleza here, you got your this is all I think this is the right side of the phone. This is the right side of the phone. Excuse me. You guys have power button, your camera button, and your charging port right there, and it's micro USB, of course. So yeah, that's the phone. It being open. There's your earpiece screen and your internal screen. Coolpad logo and your keypad there. You got I'm not sure what this bell is. I'm not sure what the thing in the middle. I'm guessing this is your messages right here on the upper right hand side. You got your navigation keys there, send in keys, number pad there, and whatnot. I do like the number font there, pretty cool. Yeah. There's the phone again being opened. The left side has headphone jack, RAM keys. I'm not sure if this is a 3.5 headphone jack or 2.5. I'm not really sure. Hopefully it's 3.5. We'll see. And then on the back of the Coolpad Belleza here, you guys have the speaker and your Coolpad logo, and that's pretty much it. So yeah. Shit. So the Coolpad Belleza delivers a simple, easy to use communication experience with all the necessities. Enjoy voice, text, and photo capabilities with the bonus of extra storage, all through fast 4G LTE coverage. Stay connected anywhere you are. It has a 2.8-inch screen. That's the internal screen there. 2 megapixel camera, 10 hours of talk time, 80 watts of storage in that. And yeah. And I think it has a modified version of Android, and I think it does. So that's pretty interesting. So of course, how it work is order today. Wait for your friend to arrive, pick your point and activate online. Features of the Coolpad Belleza is stay connected. Stay connected with expanded 4G LTE coverage for calls, text messages, and sharing videos or photos. The 600 MHz coverage offers better coverage for all, even in more rural areas, keeping you connected wherever you are. So that's nice. Simple navigation. The large keypad and dedicated camera and shortcut keys make the Coolpad Belleza easy to use. This phone was designed for easy navigation through the user-friendly interface. Convenient flip design. The convenient flip design protects against accidental calls, while the external screen also lets you easily view messages and alerts. The compact size fits comfortably. The compact size fits perfectly in your pocket or jacket, making it convenient to keep with you at all times. All the basics and more. A simple communication experience with everything you need to call, text, take photos, set calendar appointments and reminders, plus a dual mic for enhanced audio quality. 512 megabytes of 525 megabytes of RAM and 4 gigabytes of RAM, but it says 8 gigabytes of RAM on the spec sheet, but we'll see. It says keep your favorite music, videos, and important files at your fingertips. 2.8-inch main display and a 1.77-inch external display. The bright 2.8-inch display is easy to read and navigate. The 1.77-inch external screen lets you read messages and alerts at a glance. It is also Mexico roaming capable. Stay connected even when you're traveling to Mexico. Plan add-on is required for that. It's also voice roaming capable. Just keep talking even when you're temporarily outside the Boost network. Select plans include 50 minutes per month of domestic voice roaming. And it also has mobile hotspot, which is pretty cool. It says don't get stuck without an internet connection. Turn your phone into a Wi-Fi hotspot for on-the-go access varies per plan. So flip phones are now coming with 4G LTE and you have mobile hotspot as well. So that's pretty cool. Specs on this Coolpad Belleza here is a 1500 mAh battery, 10.5 hours of talk time, non-removable battery, so the battery is non-removable, so that's very interesting. I don't know, this specs are all over the place here. It says here on the specs section, it says 1 gigabyte of RAM, 8 bytes of ROM. But if you guys look in the more features section, it will tell you guys it's 505 megabytes of RAM, 505 megabytes of RAM and 4 gigabytes of ROM. So I don't know which is which. I don't know. You do have micro SD cards up to 32 gigabytes, 1.3 gigahertz Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, 215. It has a Android. It has like a modified version of Android on there. 2 megapixel over the camera, 2.8-inch QVGA LCD display, and a 1.77-inch QQVGA LCD display. So, yeah. Dimensions are 4.29 inches height, 2.19 inches width, and 0.75 inches depth. What the hell? It says it weighs 45 ounces. What the hell? I don't know how much this thing weighs. I don't know. You do have Wi-Fi, you have Bluetooth. I don't know what the Bluetooth version is, and you have micro USB charging for the phone there. So the specs are all over the place here. So I don't know which is which. I don't know. So what you guys get in the box is an announcement special. Of course, you do get the Coolpad Belleza, data cable, health and safety warning, micro USB charger, and quick start guide. And that's pretty much it there for the box, for what's included in the box. If you guys need help with your phone, which if you do, Boost Mobile has you covered with that with the best support. Says that I want to know everything there is to know about this phone. Everything from setting up your email to managing all of your gambling applications. So yeah. So if you guys are looking to get a backup phone or whatever, I mean, there's obviously still a place for flip phones out there today. Not everyone wants a smartphone, of course, which you do have choices. This does have like some smartphone functionality in it, I guess. I think it has Google Assistant on it, I'm not really sure. But it has like a modified version of Android in there, so you can do some basic smartphone stuff on here, so that's pretty nice. But for 30 bucks, you get what you pay for here, so yeah. So there you guys have the Coolpad Belleza, now available at Boost Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It lets me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.